Sunset, while red markets glow, history whispers as breezes blow, neon lights flicker, shadows meet, echoes of footsteps from past feet. Avenida do Almirante Lacerda. Admiral Lacerda had his maps, no one knew Macau's coastline better perhaps. As a hydrography engineer, what a mouthful to say when having a beer. Lacerda knew this coast, so let's give a toast. Super Bock beer, did they have those here? Admiral Lacerda had his maps, no one knew Macau's coastline better perhaps. As a hydrography engineer, what a mouthful to say when having a beer. As a hydrography engineer, he charted the seas, mapping every current, every breeze. None of this done on a whim, a legacy left with a road named after him. This road, reclaimed from the sea, named after Lacerda for all time to be. His love for the waters, his dedication so deep. In every wave, his memory we keep. Admiral Lacerda had his maps, no one knew Macau's coastline better perhaps. As a hydrography engineer, what a mouthful to say when having a beer. So come and walk down this avenue so fine, where past and present beautifully intertwine. As a hydrography engineer, what a mouthful to say when having a beer. A symbol of history, culture, and let's just have a super bock, shall we? Shall we?
Okay, so this street is called Avenida de Almirante Lacerda. It goes, I think it continues going this way, but I'm not 100% sure. I will check on the map in a moment. But we have this beautiful lighting and we're right at the red market. And I'm going to be walking down this street. So stay tuned and we're going to catch some beautiful, beautiful lighting.
Admiral Lacerda had his maps, no one knew Macau's coastline better perhaps. As a hydrography engineer, what a mouthful to say when having a beer.
Just in case you're curious, I am playing around with AI. I'm kind of messing around with the lyrics. So that one, I looked up his job title, hydrography engineer. That is a mouthful to say. So I put that into the song that it's so hard to say. And imagine that you're in a bar with some people you don't know, and they're like, you know, what's your job title? And you had to say hydrography engineer. So that's what the song is about. It was about Admiral Lacerda, and that was his job title. So he navigated the oceans, and he also was very involved with the reclamation program, and also just, you know, how to that was just basically, it's an engineer. So that's all you need to know. So you got all the lyrics behind me, and also I put it in Chinese as well, so you probably saw that behind me, and I know that next you want to see exactly where we are, so I'll put that on now, the map, so you can see that, and it's not too far from the ocean, which implies that this was actually on some reclaimed land already. So he was involved with that, and so that's the history about this a little bit. So yeah, anyways. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be following this street, catching that beautiful lighting. And I just checked the map real quick. This street actually does go up quite a ways down that way. But because the lighting is so beautiful, I want to walk that certain way and just kind of capture it. And plus, like, there's a red market just as a reference point. And we're just gonna walk on down. So Almirante Lacerda, and this street is actually a little bit like it's, I'll try to describe it as I go down. Make sure I can capture that lighting. But there's kind of like these ugly spots, and a lot of it is because of these, all the bus routes come right through here. So like right now, even, you know, I have the bus exhaust fumes, and I'm losing the beautiful lighting that's up ahead. I wonder if I should be on the other side. Yeah, there's the beautiful lighting, right? Which I want to capture. But this side would be more interesting because more people will cross by this way. Kind of tempted to go up these steps, which I guess is what I'm going to do, because then this one goes all the way down to these little markets down this way. So we're going to go up to this stairwell here. So that's where we were just at. And we're going to go up to the top here, capture the lighting, and get a view. And I think, yeah, we're going to be able to catch this nice lighting still. So we could walk on that side of the street, and I think the lighting might be better. But this one has more people. I kind of wish we could see the whole street all the way down, but we're not going to be able to see that. But we'll just keep on going down this way, and then you'll still be able to find out more about it, because I'll research the history of the street a little bit. Let's see, elevator going down. So, okay. I guess you can kind of catch some of the lighting. Right there, right? Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Yeah, it's kind of yeah, this street is kind of because of all the exhaust fumes. I think if they had it maybe some giant banyan trees were in the middle. I don't know what you could be done about the street, but it could be a nice street, but it's kind of has a exhaust fume kind of feel. Okay, let me see. So we got a supermarket here. The street's a little bit crowded. That's the other thing about the street. It's crowded, and it's kind of it feels a little bit pollution-ish. But I still want to film it, and I think it's the best time to film it is in the evening when the lights are coming on. Okay. Got these big overhangs so you can't see the sky. There's a Cantonese restaurant up here. It's pretty well known. Okay. Check this out. We got this old style phone booth. They're so obsolete, but they're still everywhere, even though they're so obsolete. I wonder if they would actually work. I think I've checked them out before, and they don't work. Okay, so we might be coming out of our street and into another street. I think Patane starts up around this way. So I think I'll just assume that Patane would be this way, and I think I'm kind of interested to go down that other street and start a new video. But anyways, kind of have an idea of what the street looks like now. Capture that. Okay. So we're gonna end it for this particular video. So hopefully that's kind of interesting.
Avenida do Almirante Lacerda. Admiral Lacerda had his maps and no one knew Macau's coastline